Okay, guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Rock that.
Otito dịrị nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ. Otito dịrị nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ. Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga. Ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ, nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ.
Good evening and welcome to EBEONADI103.5 FM News Update. Today, Thursday, the 7th day of November 2024, and the time is 3 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ifan Shuku Ikeze is my name. The headlines. Obi to speak at Articles AUN. Uzodinma, Egypt's key authorities on ports, health, development meet on partnership. Enugu court remands woman for using pestle on stepson, inflicting bodily harm. Governor Oti charges elected local government chairmen to be responsible to the developmental needs of their communities. UCL, Lookman's rich vein of goal scoring form continues in Atlanta's road win against Stuttgart. China is bracing for fresh tensions with Trump over trade, tech, and Taiwan. Now, details. Obi to speak at Articles AUN. The American University of Nigeria has announced former governor of Anambra State, Mr. Peter Obi, as keynote speaker at its forthcoming Founders Day ceremony on November 30, 2024. The annual Founders Day honors the founder of the university and former Nigeria's Vice President, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, GCON, Wazirin Adamawa, for his numerous contributions to society and especially his advancement of education and human development, according to a statement by Interim Registrar VP Admin Daniel Okereke. The 16th Founders Day lecture will be the highlight of activities marking the 20th anniversary of the founding of the American-style Development University, where students are educated to direct their learning and research outcomes toward addressing the socio-economic challenges of the African continent. In the 20 years since its establishment, the numerous community service and outreach projects executed by students, alumni, faculty, and staff have earned the Development University a spot among the top 3 Nigerian universities in Time Higher Education 2024 Global Impact Ranking. Uzodinma, Egypt's key authorities on ports, health development meet on partnership. Chairman of Egypt's Suez Canal Authority, Admiral Osama Rabi, and his colleague in charge of Unified Medical Support and Technology Office, Baba Eldin Zidane, have met with Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State to seek ways of partnership on ports development and opportunities in the health sector. Governor Uzodinma first met with Admiral Rabi, subsequently sought audience with Zidane. Both meetings achieved the objectives that brought the partnership together on Monday in Cairo, the capital of Egypt. taken to his social media handle. Governor Uzodinma expressed satisfaction over the meetings and the result they will yield for Imo State in the areas under focus. He said, I have engaged in constructive discussions here in Cairo on strategic partnerships crucial to our state's development. I met with Admiral Osama Rabi, Egypt, chairman of Egypt's Suez Canal Authority, to explore technical support avenues for our post-development initiatives, he stated. Enugu court remands woman for using pestle on stepson inflicting bodily harm. And Enugu State Magistrate Court has remanded a woman, Mrs. Ada Ubogo, for allegedly breaking her 3-year-old stepson's bone with a pestle. Arraigning the accused on Tuesday, the police told the court that Mrs. Ubogo committed an act to cause grievous harm contrary to law, an offense that attracts life imprisonment as punishment if convicted. The charge marked CME 646C